Hello everyone. Welcome back. This is Tazif from Wise Homework Tutors. In this video we will talk about child tax credit and their criteria. What is child tax credit? The child tax credit is a federal tax credit in the United States for taxpayers who have qualifying children under the age of 17. The credit is designed to help offset the cost of raising children and provide financial support for families. The credit is worth up to $2,000 per qualifying child, and a portion of it may be refundable, meaning that taxpayers can receive a refund even if they owe no tax. Eligibility criteria for the child tax credit. Eligibility for the child tax credit is based on income, number of qualifying children, and other factors. The credit may also be subject to phase-out based on income, meaning that the credit amount decreases as income increases. To be eligible for the child tax credit, the taxpayer must have a qualifying child who meets the following criteria. Age: the child must be under the age of 17 at the end of the tax year. Relationship: the child must be the taxpayer's son, daughter, stepchild, foster child, brother, sister, stepbrother, stepsister, or a descendant of any of them, such as a grandchild. Residency: the child must have lived with the taxpayer for more than half of the tax year. Support: the child must not have provided over half of their own support during the tax year. Citizenship: the child must be a U.S. citizen, U.S. national, or U.S. resident alien. In addition to these requirements for the child, the taxpayer must also meet certain income limits to be eligible for the child tax credit. The credit is subject to phase-out based on income, and it may be reduced or disallowed altogether for taxpayers with higher incomes. What is the income limits to be eligible for the child tax credit? The income limits for the child tax credit vary depending on the taxpayer's filing status and the number of qualifying children. The credit is subject to phase-out based on income, which means that the credit amount decreases as income increases. For tax year 2022, the income limits for the child tax credit are as follows. Married filing jointly, the phase-out range is $400,000. While for single, head of household, or widowed, the phase-out range is $200,000. These income limits are adjusted annually for inflation and may change from year to year. In addition, the amount of the child tax credit that is refundable is subject to a further phase-out based on income. For further guidance, please refer to IRS website. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for future videos. Thank you.